Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Leon coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, January 5th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 17 degrees. We are expecting a high of 31 and a low of 22, with partly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Brandon, Dakota. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, tonight the Bulls will play the Milwaukee Bucks at 7 o'clock, and the Blackhawks will play the Pittsburgh Penguins at 6 o'clock. Clubs meeting today are PBIS ambassadors in the music room at 11:45, 4th grade photo club in the art studio at 3 o'clock. And tomorrow morning, chess club for 3rd and 4th grade will meet in the library at 7:45. Now a message from Mr. Schmalzer.
Thank you, Leon. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day on this brisk but sunny day. Supposed to be a little warmer today. I hear we may have some rain by the end of the week, so I'm sure a lot of the snow and ice will be gone by the weekend, which is probably a good thing. As much as I enjoy the snow, the ice is a little treacherous. One announcement, next week we do have conferences, and that means we will have our annual, or I guess semi-annual or triannual book fair. So remember to check out the flyers. Those will be delivered to your classrooms in the next couple of days, and you can see what will be for sale. We will be having a new cool tool coming out this month as well, and that information will be coming out shortly. And just a reminder again, when you're out at recess and coming to school and going home from school, to be careful on the ice. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmalzer. Here's today's interesting fact.
Let's hear it.
Did you know that there's a car that runs on air?
Huh.
Zero Pollution Motors have developed a 3-wheeled AirPod car. It costs about $10,000 and runs on air, so it won't pollute. A high-pressured air tank can fill the car in minutes and can travel about 130 miles between fill-ups. Say goodbye to gasoline. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the second graders in room 120. Have a twinkly Tuesday.